Hi friends, today in this video we will know how to set up Flutter in VS Code editor. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for setup you have to download Flutter SDK. So for that type Flutter SDK for Windows, hit enter, go to the official site, scroll down, click on that stable version, download the zip, and here you can see the zip is downloading. It is around 885 MB, so it will take time. So let's see after downloading. After downloading the Flutter zip file, do right click and click on extract all. Here location will be the same. It's around 2.17 GB. It will take time. Here you can see all files are extracted. Now open bin folder and copy this path and set an environment variable. So for search environment, click on path, click on new, variable name, I will make it path and will do the URL. Okay, click on OK, click on OK. Now go to VS Code. If you don't know how to install VS Code, then I have already uploaded a video. I will provide the video link in description. You can check out that from there. Search here we will add an extension, that is Flutter. Click on very first one, click on install. It is installing. Wait for a while. It is installed. Now we will create a folder on my desktop. It will be Flutter development. Now we will open it in our VS Code editor. Now open your terminal, new terminal, type Flutter, create, and your project name, that is turn to code. Here your Flutter project is ready, and you can find your main.file in lib folder. Now type cd turn to code, type Flutter run, and it will run your Flutter app, and type 1 for window, 2 for Chrome. I will type 2 for Chrome. Here, congratulations, you have created your Flutter app. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.